going to be showing you how to make a waterfall bracelet. And before I start my video, I need you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out my new videos. And make sure to give my channel a big thumbs up and comment down below if you like my bracelet, and don't forget to share it with your friends. So let me show you the example of waterfall bracelet that I have made earlier. This is the example of waterfall bracelet, the front part and the behind part. So let me tell you the things we need to make it. We will be needing a loom, a hook, and a S clip, and 4 of colors, different colors. So now let's get started. First, you will be needing your loom, and you will take your rubber bands, and you will have to put it like this, and you will continue it so like this. You will have to continue. So now we will do the orange. So as you can see, I have completed. You have to complete it like this. Now what are we going to do? We are going to flip it like this. We are going to take the 4th color and we are going to make triangles like these, and we will follow all these triangles like this. As you can see, I have completed these triangles. So now what are we going to do? We are going to flip it like this. We are going to grab the hook and we are going to go under the white and purple like this, and we will follow the same. This is how I completed. So now what are we going to do? We are going to flip it like this. Now we are going to take the hook and we are going to be taking this part and attach it over here. Like this. Then we're going to take this one also. Like this. So once you've done like that, go under all this. Take one rubber band and attach it to this hook like this. Sorry, it by mistakenly. So now it would be very simple. And this is how it will look like this side. But we are not going to take it from here. We are going to take it from there. So let's put it, and now let's remove it. Like this. And this is how it will look at the end. So what are we going to do? We are going to take this S clip and we are going to remove this like this. Then we are going to remove this. Make sure this should stretch. So now we have made it, but for making the wrist like this one, we are going to take this again, flip it like this, and attach 6 or 8 bands attaching 8 pants because I'm gonna give it to my brother like this. Then we're gonna take this part, attach it over here, flip it like this. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it over like this. The pattern we followed on the waterfall, this is how the pattern should go. Like this. Don't do any mistake in this part, because if you did any mistake in this part, so you will have to reattach the pants. Now once you have done it, then pull it over slowly. Leave 3 or 2 gaps and attach this as clip through. See, you have your own bracelet now. Let me show you. It looks the exact same one like this one. And don't forget to subscribe it and comment down below. See you. Bye. See you next video.